One of the first things you're going to want to do is disconnect your spark plug. I've taken mine out because when I go to disconnect the pulley, it's going to make it easier to turn the engine over and get the belt off the pulley. Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the mower deck. This is a weed eater, 12 horsepower, 38 inch. MTD makes one just like it. Sears makes one just like it. Yard Machines. Pretty much if your shifter is right there, you know, just look at the general layout of it. If your machine is like this, then I'm going to show you how to remove the deck. And then when the deck's off, I'll show you how to put a new belt on. Let me get set up for you now. To remove the deck on this style of mower, first thing you want to do is put it all the way down. Then you have several clevis pins, that's what this is right here, on both sides of the mower that have to be removed. On the right hand side, you'll remove this pin. There's a pin right back here behind this silver rod. You'll have to remove this pin. And then there's one more pin right here. That does it for this side. On the left side, we remove this pin right here, and last, this pin right here. We remove the rods out of the way, and then we can slide the mower deck out. Don't forget, you need to get your belt off the pulley. So what we have to do is pull this clevis pin out. See if I can get you in here. Hopefully you can see. There's a small pin right there where my finger is. You push that rod out and drop it down. Drop that rod. Sometimes these can be a real pain in the butt to get, but not that difficult. And the very last one on this side. Let me see if I can adjust you. Is this one right here. Now we go to the other side. We pull this pin. Come back over here. Get this pin. And last but not least, we get that pin. Get that rod off there. That rod off there. The one in the front. And lastly, this rod. You might have to lift up on the deck just a little to get it out. And now we're ready to pull a deck out. So if your belt ended up looking like that, it's time to change it. Or if you find out your blades just aren't grabbing and cutting like they should, maybe your belt's stretched out. So once your deck looks like this, changing the belt is really, really easy. Once you've acquired the proper belt, you're going to start in the front. Bend it in half like this, put it between these two pulleys, and lift it up over that piece right there. Feed that through, bring it around this pulley, see this notch right here? Bring it in that notch. Same thing with the other side. Bring it around the pulley, feed it inside that notch. That's it. You're ready to put your deck back on. Putting it on is the reverse of taking it off. You just want to make sure that this rod is down and this rod is forward. Not like that, like that. If it's like this, you'll never get it in. Then we slide the deck back under, reattach it. I found the easiest way to center your deck is to try attaching these rods here in the front first. Once you get both of those in, on both sides, it's pretty straightforward after that. So we get that in, put the clevis pin in, we go around to this side, move our deck back a little, get that pin in. Now while you're over here, grab one of your large pins. You still have to do some deck adjusting. Try and get this twisted on there a little bit. Sometimes you have to go adjust the other side because it gets hung up. Just find where the hole is and get that thing locked on there. We can go ahead and hook up this. This side's done, we just got to go finish up the other side. I'm going to get the skinny one up here first, because it's a pain in the butt, but it's doable while the belt is disconnected. And last but not least is this one. We lift up on the deck a little bit, get that lined up, get our pin, put our pin in. There we go. Now all you have to do is feed your belt on. So that's pretty much how you remove the deck on this. Like I said, this one's a Weedeater. Sears, MTD, Yard Machines, they all make one that looks like this. If you've got one that looks like this and you need to take your deck off and change your belt, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you on the next one.